The future of machine control with hands-free operation is here. Meet VIKI OS, ALM's voice-initiated kinetic intelligence operating system that enables voice-controlled positioner movements, reducing the need for manual input and maximizes efficiency. VIKI OS provides a user-friendly interface with intuitive commands for effortless navigation and hands-free use. Here's how it works. The operator issues a command to VIKI through the headset.
Machine, rotate clockwise 359 degrees.
VIKI then acknowledges the prompt and initiates the command. Advanced speech recognition utilizes state-of-the-art AI-driven technology to accurately interpret commands, even in noisy environments. Be built to work smarter with VIKI OS from ALM Positioners. Learn more at almmh.com.